Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can stop receiving messages from someone in the Messenger app without blocking the user. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes under the video, write your comments, and let's get started. So friends, if you have a person on Facebook Messenger that you would like to restrict, not to receive messages from them, but you don't want to block them, then I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can do that. So, the first option, to do this, you need to find the correspondence with the person. Next, click and hold on it. And select Mute here. Next, friends, you will need to choose how long you would like to turn off message notifications from this person. And I recommend that you choose this one until you turn it off yourself. So friends, you will stop getting messages in your notification center and in your dashboard that you are getting any messages from this person in Messenger, because you will mute such notifications. But when you go to the Messenger application itself, this correspondence with this person will be displayed at the top as unread, and the number of messages will also be visible. If you are not satisfied with this option, you would like to completely delete the correspondence in the list, you'll need to swipe from the right side to the left correspondence. And now press More. And then select Restrict. As you can see, once you limit it, the conversation immediately disappears. And now you won't get notifications that this person is texting you, and plus, you won't see the person's messages in the Messenger app itself. If you, for example, want to remove the restrictions from that person at some point, then on the top left, click on the 3 bars, then the gear, then Privacy and Security. Then scroll down a little bit, and here you will see Restricted Accounts. Please click here. Here you'll have accounts that you've previously placed restrictions on. And in order to remove them, you'll need to click on the account, and at the bottom, select Remove Restrictions and wait a couple seconds for those restrictions to be lifted. That's how you can stop receiving messages from someone, friends, while not blocking the user on Facebook Messenger. Friends, I really hope you found this video useful and helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments. Goodbye.